Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing my Boxy Charm for the month of March. I have already opened this box. I already filmed this and I lost the footage, so we're gonna redo it. So Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription box. If you don't already know, it's $21 a month. You usually get about 5 full-size products to try out for the month. And most of the time I really enjoy all the Boxy Charm products. Some of the times it's hit and miss. It just depends on the month. This month is called Vacation, and this is what the card looks like. So most of the time the Boxy Charm boxes range to $120 all the way up to $140 of product. So it just depends on the look of the draw for the month what you get. So let's go ahead and get on to the first couple of products. I've already got my foundation on because I want to show the way some of these products are going to work. You did get a box of brushes. It is step-by-step brushes from the Vintage Cosmetics. This brush box costs $23.15 if you bought it at their store online. You get 3 different brushes in here. Let me show you. You get a shader brush, you get a pencil brush, and you also get a packer brush. So here's what all 3 of the brushes look like. We'll go ahead and use those today and see how those are gonna work. All right, next we have in here a 3 eye gel packs. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. So obviously I did not put these on. I have not tried these yet. Pretty much I think these are just under eye patches that you put on your face after you've washed your face to reduce any puffiness. Probably I would try to use these either before you put your makeup on or at night. So depending on what kind of benefits you want from these. These are South Main Beauty, and all 3 of these eye patches are $10 if you buy them at your regular store. Next we have from Pretty Vulgar, and this is a blush from Pretty Vulgar. I have tried blushes from Pretty Vulgar before. I really like them. This is the color Make Me Blush. It is kind of a very, very bright pink. I didn't know that if I would like this or not, but I have tried it and it's a really, really pretty color. I'll go ahead and put this on so I can give you a demonstration. This would be $26 if you bought this at the retail store, and I think it's pretty much worth it. It does not last as long as the Tarte blushes do, but it's a really, really nice blush. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like on real quick. First, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some contour on because I haven't done that yet. So I'm just gonna use my contour from Tarte. All right, and then I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy brush from Moda. I got this brush also in one of my boxes here from Boxy Charm. So I really like this brush to use for blush. And then we're gonna go right into the Pretty Vulgar. So you can see it picks up a lot of color. Pound that off, and I'm gonna lightly brush that on. So as you can see, even though it's super, super pink in the package, it is not a bad color at all, and I really have been enjoying this color. I didn't think I was gonna like it because of how pink it was, but it just gives some color, and I think it's really, really a beautiful color. So that's from Pretty Vulgar. Next we have the eyeshadow from Pure Cosmetics. This is a retail of $36 if you bought it in the regular store. You get 3, 6, 9, 12 different colors, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a try today. So let me just throw on some eye primer real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Bubbly first, which is gonna be this color here. I'm gonna take the Step 2 brush. I'm gonna work that one in the crease. These do have a little bit of fallout in them, so be aware of that. This is not a normal brush that I would use for my crease, but this is what they've given me, so let's see how that works. I think I'm gonna switch off to one of my regular brushes from Morphe, and it's gonna be the 441 from Morphe, still using that same color, Bubbly. They seem to blend really nice. Anyways, this color seems to blend really nice. I don't seem to be getting any skipping or anything like that. It doesn't blend really nicely with that other brush, but with a regular, blending brush, I think you'll do okay. So there's Bubbly. Let's go into the next color, which I'm gonna go ahead and take the number 1 brush. I'm gonna go into the brown color in the palette. Go into the brown color. It has a little bit of glitter in it, but let's see how that works. I'll just take that right here in the corner of the eye and then work that up. Not a bad color. That one is a little patchy for me, but it could definitely be the brush that I'm using. So let me go ahead and try it with one of the brushes that I know works really well. I'm going to be taking it with a Morphe 518. Just a little bit. Let's see if I can work that in a little bit better. Okay, that's how that works. Let's go in with the next color. We're gonna go in with BFF, which is gonna be the purple in the palette. Let's grab a little bit of that and start packing that here. Then I'm gonna go in with another color here. I'm gonna go in with color Squad, which is gonna be the peach here. I'm just gonna use the next brush. Number 3, Go Girl Go. I'm gonna just put that right here. I think Squad would probably benefit from a wet brush, so let's see how that would work. I'm grabbing some on my brush, and then I'm gonna get some Fix Plus. Spray that, and let's see how that works better. Yeah, Squad needs a little bit of help. But once you give it that help, it looks really pretty. Use the same brush, the number 3, and I'm going to take Charmer here. Just this one there. Let's put that in the corner of our eye and see how that works. Then I'm going to go ahead and take Dusk again, which is going to be the brown. On the same brush, just run it right under the eye. And same brush, same color. I'm going to try to line my lid with that too. Just get as close as I can to my lash line. I'm going to take the color Perfect, which is going to be the white color here, on a M441 from Morphe. And just kind of put that right up here. Let's go ahead and move on to the next product and the last product I have, which is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's a volume mascara. This mascara is $20 if you bought it at a retail store. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I suppose I can open a new mascara. I haven't opened a new one in a while. This is actually a really pretty packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. Let's see what Bella Pierre's lashes do. This is a very small brush. Not anything special. Let's go ahead and go in with the first one. The small brush actually gets all the lashes, which is really nice, but it doesn't seem to be giving me much length or volume. So there's 2 coats there. Let's try the bottom lash. I'm going with another coat. All right. Probably not my #1 pick for mascara, but all right, and that's the way mascara goes on. It says that this mascara is a long-lasting volumizing mascara was formulated to help create thick and fuller lashes. I disagree. I don't believe that that is the case with this mascara, but I mean, that's just my opinion. This may work for other people, but for me, it does not. Alright guys, that was everything I got in my this month's Boxy Charm for March. Let me know if you have any questions. There are things that I liked and the things that I didn't like. The blush I thought was amazing. I love this blush color. These ones last about maybe 5 to 6 hours on my face. I do like this Pure eyeshadows. They're not the best at blending. They're really fun colors, so I don't mind this palette at all. The patches are from South Maine. I haven't tried these. I will give them a try. If you want to know any questions about those, let me know, and I will definitely let you know. These shadow brushes that I got from the Vintage Shadows, I think they work really nicely. They're not my typical brushes that I use. These 2 will get more use, most likely because I use them to pack and for under eyeshadow type stuff. This one, I will try to get some use out of it by blending things, so I will find a use for it, but it's not one that I typically reach for. I don't really reach for angled shadow brushes that often. The eyelash mascara from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This somehow made my lashes look smaller than what they are. So this would be a hard pass for me. I would not pay $20 for this. If this works for you, let me know. I feel like my lashes are very clumpy and they look extremely tiny than what they normally do. So I do not like this at all, and I don't think that it's worth $20. But for the price that I paid for the box, $21, everything else I got I enjoy. So getting one item that I thought is not that great is not that bad. I would not suggest this mascara for anybody. So my box total in at $115.15 this month, which is not a bad price for what I paid for the box. If you have not subscribed to Boxy Charm yet, now would be a good time to do so. I do believe they have open enrollment going on right now, so if you are interested in that, I will have the information down below. It is an affiliate link, so I do get points, and I'll also put the other link down if you don't want to use that affiliate link. It doesn't matter to me either way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this type of unboxing with Boxy Charm. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week. Bye bye.